Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life on your RAM ProMaster. First, get into your vehicle and make sure it is in park. Turn the ignition to the run position, but do not start the engine. You should see the dashboard lights illuminate. This initial step prepares your vehicle's system for the reset process. It's a simple start to getting your oil life monitor back on track after an oil change. Next, you'll use the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate the instrument cluster display. Look for the arrow buttons, usually on the left side. Press these buttons to scroll through the various menu options until you find the Vehicle Information section. Within this section, you should see the current oil life percentage displayed. This is where we will perform the reset. Once you have the oil life percentage displayed, press and hold the OK button, typically located in the center of your steering wheel controls. Keep holding it down for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage on the screen will start to flash, indicating that the system is ready to accept the reset command. This is the crucial step to initiate the reset. After the oil life percentage flashes and then resets to 100%, you can release the OK button. The system has now successfully registered the oil life reset. To finalize the process, turn the ignition completely off. Then, start your RAM ProMaster's engine as usual. The oil life monitor should now correctly display 100%, ready for your next service interval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.